I think this is a fantastic initiative by KitchenAid where they've launched like a pro baker kind of a path where in different cities things are happening and people are coming around and showcasing their skills. I think what is happening is that people are getting a platform to showcase their skills, and it's not just one medium, let's say from a MasterChef perspective or any other TV program that is probably showcasing this. I think this is going to different cities. It is more personalized. It is really finding out the talent on a ground level basis, and then it is finding out the best home baker or the pro baker. Now, obviously, as an industry subject matter expert, what we get to see is that it's not just hotels who are doing good stuff. It's also a lot of homemakers who are doing and coming out with newer, greater things, or probably things which they have learned from hotel chefs or professional chefs. I think it's a fantastic initiative because the more this happens, the more the industry will grow, the more food space will grow, the more need and requirement for all these will happen, and I think we need more of these platforms, definitely.
I think baking in India has seen a sudden rise in the last couple of years, and I think the KitchenAid Pro Baker, it's an amazing opportunity to kind of come and showcase that to everybody else, and the world can get to see how talented people really are.
I think the Pro Baker platform is awesome. Firstly, to have a company like KitchenAid, to give you a mixer, to learn about the machine and what it can do. That's one great part of it. That is, the thing is, the idea then KitchenAid is not about just doing business, which of course they do, but it's about enriching people's experiences, contributing, helping them to enhance their skills. So I think Pro Baker is a great platform for people, for the country, because you are scouting good talent. In today's day and world, there are so many home bakers, there are so many people who are baking, making chocolates, and it's like a small scale industry coming out of homes. And you have even child prodigies who are, doing very well, and food has become a big part of everyone's life. And the amount of bakeries and pastry shops and the different kinds of cooking schools, studios which are coming up. I think this is a very encouraging platform for this is a very encouraging platform for anyone who bakes or cooks, that there is a hope, and the awareness, to create the awareness about how important tools and gadgets are for you. That's also, it's like a big education for them.
I'd say it's a fantastic concept which has picked on in India, and it's great that you guys have picked on this pretty well. It's definitely a motivating factor for a lot of people who have a lot of skill at home and are not a part of the industry. It's definitely going to motivate them, especially when you have infrastructure to support you like this, an academy and things like that, where you have all the equipment available to really showcase what they're best at. Times there are limitations, but something like this should be encouraged, should be taken ahead, and there's always something new to learn. And also inviting a jury of the panel that you have chosen also is amazing, because it's not treated small, it's treated really big. There are tips, there are ideas, there are views which we would share with home bakers who definitely are going to be entrepreneurs someday. And definitely this country needs to move on, and it happens from a start in a place like this. So I'll say it's a great concept that you guys have taken on.